So what does natural restorations do on a normal Monday morning? Projects like this. This is out along Power Road on the way to the river. This site has been building up since roughly 2018. Ooh, massage bench. Get a rub down in the desert. Lots of storage of stuff. Got this up here. So this is one of 4 or 5 piles out in this area that we're hitting today. As you can see, it just keeps coming back here. Apparently this is where bike tires are stored. Some toys. Buckets of sand that, yeah, that's got crap in it. So yeah, that's human kitty litter buckets, all the trash. So that's a normal Monday morning for the natural restorations crew. Let's just come up here and look at this. Yeah. Happy Monday.